Good morning from MasterTrust, and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 8th of April 2025. The US Dow Jones decreased 0.91%, settling the day at 37,965.60, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 15,603.26, increasing 0.10%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 32,851.07, and Hang Seng is trading at 20,157.52. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,642.50, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII sold 9,040.01 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 12,122.45 crore in the last trading session. India's exports to the US may fall by $5.76 billion in 2025 due to Trump tariffs. India may slash car import tariffs to 10% as EU seeks better trade deal. Now talking about global aspects, US dollar weakened against the safe haven Swiss franc as tariff worries ripple through markets. Oil prices slide 2% to near 4-year low as US trade conflict fuels recession fears. WTI fell 2.1% to $60.70 a barrel, and Brent fell 2.1% to $64.21 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 102.96. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.26%, up. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices extended their losing streak for the third consecutive session, hitting their lowest levels since June 2024. The fall was driven by weak global cues and growing recession fears amid the ongoing trade war. Investor sentiment remained cautious ahead of reciprocal tariffs on India, set to take effect on April 9. However, hopes of a 25 bps per second rate cut by the RBI to 6% on Wednesday offered some relief. Outlook for today. Nifty opened with a sharp gap down, hitting its lowest level since June 2024, but recovered nearly 450 points from the day's low to close near the session high. Despite the rebound, the index continues to trade below key EMAs, reflecting prevailing weakness. Immediate support lies at 22,000, and a breach could drag it to 21,750. Resistance is capped at 22,300, and a breakout may fuel a move to 22,500. However, as long as the index remains below the 21-day EMA, a sell-on-rise strategy is advisable. Bank Nifty opened with a sharp gap down, starting the week with a 3.19% decline. The index has slipped below its 21-day and 55-day EMAs, as well as the key psychological level of 50,000, indicating bearish sentiment. Immediate resistance is placed at 50,360, aligning with the 55-day EMA, while support lies at 49,500. A breach below this could lead to further downside towards 49,000. A cautious sell-on-rise approach is recommended. Stocks on the radar. Bullish view, GMDC, Chola Feen, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Reliance. Bearish view, Trent, Nalco, DLF, Angel One, HCL Tech. Trade of the day is bullish on delivery, buy at 268 to 264, stop loss 255. Target 280. Rationale, support reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.